Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. While staying at One World Hotel, we visited Utama Farm petting zoo. It is just a few minutes walk from the hotel. If you are an animal lover or looking for a fun family day out, this place is definitely worth checking out. Entry is 15 ringgit per person. This petting zoo is a hands-on experience where you can interact with the animals. As you enter, you see ducks and rabbits running around. You can also purchase food to feed the animals. This rabbit was a little bit picky, not wanting my snow pea. On this side, there were chickens, and to the left, you find snakes, frogs, and gecko. If you're game enough, you can hold them. As you wander further in, you find these cute little guinea pigs. This unique reptile, sailfin dragon, is a must-see. This petting zoo makes a relaxing and fun day out for families and friends. If you've enjoyed our video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We have a Facebook page which you can like and follow, or you can follow us on Instagram, TTCWL. On the other side is Utama Prawning. There are 2 ponds here. Prawn fishing is like the saying, patience is a virtue. Prawning is like fishing, except you're catching prawns. It might look easy. You need some skills and luck to get a good yield. Pricing is dependent on the session that you purchase. It includes a rod, but you have to purchase the bait separately. You get to keep whatever you catch. Have you been to Utama Farm? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.